Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a balayage on virgin hair that will last up to 6 months. I'm starting off at the back hairline using 15 volume with Weave Thin TZ highlight, then alternating the thickness in each section until I get to the top for a blended look. Now moving on to the front, she wanted a bow yet blended money piece, so I'm taking a diagonal section following her hairline pattern with Weave teased highlights. I always like to feather up the bleach near the roots area for a softer grow out. This also helps prevent bleeding onto the hair that is outside the foil. Each highlight that I do after the first one, the liner will start lower and lower to give a gradient effect. This causes a pocket of depth which will make the money piece pop even more. I'm doing 3 back-to-back highlights until it connects to the foil on the side. Then I repeat the same step on the opposite side. Once the sides are connected, I will gradually turn the diagonal sections into horizontal sections, using the same pattern I did at the back to create depth, but still blending it in. I am now using 25 volume to catch up with the rest of the hair. The last few foils I will switch over to 30. I paint the lightener lower, then move it up slightly with each foil until I reach the top. This will create a halo effect. You should end up with a thin teasy highlight at the top to create a curtain-like effect that will blend everything in. I always make sure to saturate each section very well to prevent banding or uneven lift. Then I almost forgot to do a tip out on the money piece. This will ensure it's solid blonde at the bottom but blended at the top. Then I remove the back foils and let the front process for about 30 minutes. I am toning her with Dia color on the roots. I'm using 6.1 plus 6N plus 5 volume. I like to add ash on the base to ensure the color pops. Then I'm going in with Dia Life for the mids and ends. The formula I'm using is 9.01 plus 9.02 plus 10.32 and 5 volume. Once I'm done applying both toners, I will be combing it through. I forgot to do it on camera, but please make sure that you do this because this will ensure that you get the perfect blend. And we are all done. Look at these final results. I wanted to show you that even though her hair is straight, the color's still nice and blended. This was my favorite balayage I did this year. It's the perfect bright blonde to transition your client if it's their first time going light. All the formulas will be posted on the description box with measurements. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any other hair tutorials you would like to see.